Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. And we're only going to be using one account because most people only start with one account. Now people who know about My Lead Gen Secret have multiple accounts, but we starting with one just to emulate what people who are just starting with make. You may make more than me, you may make less than me, but this around that general idea of what you should be making if you start this program. Alright guys? Alright. So if you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first off I want to talk about the reasons why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. Because first, number one, I like the product. The product is essentially a funnel builder. You get a very nice, clean funnel builder, easy to use, easy to connect domains. You get tutorials and everything about how to do everything. It's very simple, actually. You barely need a tutorial. It's very simple to do everything if you mess with funnels before, you know. And it's point click, easy to do, all the modern stuff when it comes to a funnel. And there's no limitations, none, so to speak. You can make them into funnels you want, make them into pages you want, connect them into domains, easily make really nice subdomains. Just a lot of stuff that's just easy to do that can have complications when you're working with other funnel builders. All right, and it's only $25 per month, which is insane. Any other funnel builder, that's barely covering the trial. The most popular funnel builder is ClickFunnels. It's $97 per month, straight up from the top. $97 per month, and it has a ton of limitations. And if you want to get rid of them, you gotta pay $300 per month, guys. So it's just not gonna happen. And like, most people use ClickFunnels, and it's kind of insane. And I think it's because they don't know about this product, and they just so used to ClickFunnels. It's like, I need to use ClickFunnels. You know what I mean? And the second reason that I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business, and why I think you guys would be interested, and the reason why I was initially interested is because it's affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions, 80% commissions every single product that they promote. Every single product you will get an 80% commissions. One person paid, you get 80%. That's insane, guys. The recurring commissions as well, which is bonkers. Like, the best, I think the best, before I seen this product, the best recurring commissions I ever seen was like 40%. 40%, guys. That's the best I saw, and I thought that was really good. That's the sad thing. I thought 40% was really good, but now at 80, it just seems ludicrously bad. So yeah, man, that's great, man. Any affiliate market will tell you that's like the best deal you're gonna ever see. But anyway, guys, let's look at our results. We're gonna refresh the page to show real results. Alright guys, this looks like I did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, guys. Not a big deal. It happens, you know what I mean? Plus, I've been doing well this month. I've really been doing really well this month. So it's not really the biggest deal. My last payment was like $300 or something like that, three something. So I'm not really tripping, cause $300 for 1 week, guys. 1 week of work, cause that's what we're getting paid. You get paid weekly, so your payable commission, that's weekly. So it's really nice, and slowly building up. And the beauty about it, sales matter so much. Like, sales can be so effective because you're slowly building up an income, and that's the reason why we want to stick to it. Now, by the way, when somebody show you results, make sure they refresh the page to show you real results, guys, because they don't want to be showing you nothing fake. They can change all these numbers around to show whatever number they want. Okay, guys? All right, so let's keep it moving. All right, so we're gonna go to our next email here, which is, let's be the monthly income. Let's go with that. I'm gonna click that. We'll make sure to select all our biggest our list here. And hey, first name, blah blah blah, blah blah. Whatever, you can copy that. Pause it when you need to, guys. Pause it when you need to and copy it. Get your link right here. All right, guys. This is the link you want to use. This one, all-in-one $25 business. You want to use this one because it promotes 2 recurring incomes. One is $20 per month. The other is $100 per month. So you can make $120 per month off of one customer. You get 10 of those in, that's $1,200. So 10 people doing that, that's $1,200. That's why I say promote this, guys. It's just the best affiliate system I ever seen. Anyway, you want to pick that link right there. Very easy to do. And you want to click on Perfect Timing, because what Perfect Timing does is send an email around time people check it, right? And that's great, you know. And what you want to do is click preview and make sure your link works. I know mine works because I'm getting the email from my system already. So all I need to do is send email and you're done. That's all it takes, guys. It only takes about 5 minutes for me to do it and make this video while doing it, while talking. You know what I mean? So you guys, it'll take even less time, especially when you start getting emails in your system. Then once you got a ton of emails in your system, all you gotta do is click, 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 done. Like less than a minute. And you do this every morning, you'll make like $400, $400 to $600 a month so far. So far, guys, I'm 4 to 6. My first month was 4 when I was posting. My second month it's been 6. Now this is my 3rd month here. This ain't my 3rd month in the system. I've been in the system 4 months, but I just crossed my 3rd month of making videos about it. Anyway, guys, like I stated before, you're interested in following along, links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.